Hello, guys. Uh, so over the past 6 months, I've been working with a lot of projects of a role on business analysis, consultation work, and having and running my own business. So I've used a lot of AI prompts in this journey up to now, and then I've wanted to share a few of my prompts that I have built over the time. And then purpose of this Notion page will be valuable to you, and the purpose of this is just sharing for free. So what I would say is, if you look at this page where I have given you all the information and all the prompts that I use as a BA, as well as a consultant and a business owner from ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, and all these are the various tools. So I've customized these according to the domain. What you need to know here is that these I wanted to improve the quality of the responses that I got over the time. So in specific modes and specific domains and specific expertise. So first thing is I almost use every day is this universal expert mode. So if I do not know, for an example, about PC gaming, I would say operate as a senior PC gamer or an experienced gamer from the 80s up to now. Be specific as much as you can, and then state the primary objective. I want to know all about gaming, what are AAA ratings, and what is the practicality in getting to know that. And ask for intellectual honesty as always as primary objectives, so that will create the AI to not just think through stuff and then yell it at you, but um, just find the facts out and then be independent on the responses. So that's the overall overarching expectation from this being a universal expert mode. You can use this on any different AI tool and get answers. This is not the stop point. This is nowhere near where I could say like this, use this prompt and be done with it. No, you have to enter a specific domain and specific context according to your understanding and your practices. So use it wisely. And then we go on to the business analysis mode. This is something that I've used in a lot of projects lately. So I asked to act as a principal business analyst, senior business analyst, or just a business analyst in this specific domain. Make sure that you enter the domain here. Ask and upload transcript from meetings which are really valuable, notes, and all these, and then ask them to come up with these. So you can pick and choose assumptions, future states, and all of that, as well as functional requirements. It will guide you uh, through a structured process of what needs to be done, what are the functional requirements, and what are the business requirement attached to it. Next one is simply the startup advisor mode. Basically, if you have an idea on a business, you can start asking questions, even up to a certain context on legal requirements as well. I would not just rely on AI for those legal requirements, but as if you are like really savvy about your domain that you're operating in, you would know whom to contact. And I think it's always best to cross check with a lawyer in order to get the legal requirements correctly understood. Because that can be prone into different interpretations with different texts and different domains. So that's kind of important. And then I go down to the AI consultation mode because this is something that I used almost every day because I'm understanding AI from a point of view as a BA, as a business owner, and wanted to be on the consultation path. So I wanted to get an architectural understanding. What is the best models to use? What are the best um, what is the best usage of tokens? What are our scalability options, limitations, and future proofing a certain AI targeted solution? So after that, I use this master prompt, which is like a everyday thing that I use. I have this as projects and different folders in my AI tools that I use, like ChatGPT. I have projects inside it, and then there are discussions under that project so that it contains the context of the project. And then finally, tips for better prompting. I think you already know this. Ask the model to give honest answers, ask clarify questions, go further with basic questioning, pinpoint and niche down, always give more context as you go on. The reason that I built this is I figured out AI is not as good as the instructions that it receives. It's not accurate all the time. So, as much as you give context and the domain expertise that you have, you will get better answers. So, that is why I'm sharing these prompts with you. I have provided the link in this video in the description. Hope this helps. If this is valuable to you, please share and like, and then do check out my channel for more tips and tricks as a business analyst or business owner. Thank you for staying with this video. I hope you subscribe and like it. See you on the next one. Cheers.